Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, January 2nd, 2025. Happy New Year's, by the way. Before I jump into the charts, I want to mention that this week so far, we put out a stock pick on ARM Holdings, the British semiconductor software company, presently approaching a big area. You want to see it, you can for free by signing up for wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial up front. You might want to stick around then after that, as you'll be provided daily triple Q and SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock, etc., etc. So let's take a look at the Tesla charts. This is a weekly bar chart. Just to remind you that about 6 weeks ago, we settled above that 340.63 2-year channel top that anticipated ultimately the 503.15 5-year channel top. We didn't hit that mark. We came close to it, and we have since fallen away. And in fact, the market did throw off a meaningful sell signal earlier in the week on Monday, by closing below the 439.44 to 441.91 channel bottoms. And that set up a 2 to 3 week sell signal down to 340.63. So we are in the midst still of a 2 to 3 week sell signal below the upper 430s, low 440s, and climbing that does maintain a 2 to 3 week target at 340.63. And in fact, yesterday, Tuesday, we did close the day below the 414.49 November 21 previous high. And I think that'll add weight to the market. Near term, over the next 3 to 5 days, still anticipating 382.88. This is a level that remains in reach today below 414.49. You can see here that 382.88 formation can contain today's lows. We might even get a 3 to 5 day bounce back to at least 414.49 perhaps, and potentially back into the upper 430s, low 440s. But I do think that there's a decent chance that over the next week or so, and it could be today, that we actually close below the 382.88 channel bottom. That would then set up 340.63 within probably another 3 to 5 days. So a bottom line, holding below 439.44, we maintain a 340.63 2 to 3 week target. And if we close the next few days below 382.88, we should see 340.63 by the end of next week, where once again, we could bottom out actually through the first quarter. And from there, round up nicely into the low 500 region within 3 to 5 months or sooner of testing 340.63. With respect to 382.88, I think it's a solid day trade area, and 3 to 5 day swing traders can have at it. Just know that if you buy 382.88, it is a bit of a counter trend move right now with respect to the 2 to 3 week time frame, which remains heavy below 439.44, anticipating 340.63. And if you've done nothing and you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader and we settle today below 382.88, I think you can play the short side overnight, anticipating then within 3 to 5 days 340.63, where once again profits can be taken, long entry made once again in anticipation of meaningful upward rotation as we move through the rest of the first quarter. Let's take a look at the upside today. We obviously have 414.49, that 2021 high. If we push above it, we could see a short cover rally to 439.44, but I don't know if the market has it in it right now. The emphasis seems to be heavy. I will say that if we close today above 414.49, that should yield 439.44 to 41.91 within a day or two, say by Friday's close, where we can top out through next week, and below which 340.63 remains a 2 to 3 week target. Now, if we happen to close about 441.91, 466.06 is then likely within several days. And this is a formation that can contain daily highs and is our upward pivot point to 503.15. I will say that if we close today, and I don't see this happening, But if over the next few days we close above 441.91, I think you can begin to anticipate once again 503.15 within 2 to 3 weeks. This descending channel top at 466.06 will be over the next 2 to 3 trading days converging anyway with 439.44. So this will become, a significant zone. It already is a significant zone, but it will tighten up. And it will narrow to a single point here over the next 2, 3, 4 trading days. So we'll just see how that plays out. It may be a moot point because I think the emphasis remains heavy anyway. We could see 382.88 today, and that will change things with respect to the 466.06 channel top. So I don't want to spend too much time talking about 466.06. What I think is important is you can still sell 439.44 if given the opportunity, and we're still anticipating 340.63 as a 2 to 3 week target. If we close today below 382.88, we should see 340.63 by the end of next week. I don't know what else to say beyond what I already have. Once again, I put out a stock pick on ARM Holdings on Tuesday. Fresh chart to look at. It's still very relevant. You can see it today by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial. I will be back Thursday afternoon with Friday's Tesla report. Happy New Year's, by the way. Have a great time with friends and family on Wednesday, and we will talk soon.